Hi, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Are you ready for our grammar class? Okay. All of you take your textbook. I hope all of you take your textbook. Then take Unit 3. Today we are going to discuss our third unit, tenses, models and voice. Yeah, first lesson, tenses. In that before all of you listen, get set go part. Okay, yeah. All of you look at this picture. All of you look at this picture. What do you understand by what do you understand? Talk about the picture in groups of 3. Ask the answer these questions. What are the people doing? What are the people doing? Saving the water. Is the situation is normal? Why was this problem arisen? What should we do prevent it from occurring in the future? What will happen if we all don't act now to save water? So questions all of you make answer yourself. Okay. Then next we are going to discuss chapter 7. Chapter 7, tenses. Do you heard about tenses? We have already studied 5th standard class, studied some tenses. Here, the tenses of a verb tells about the time of an action. Tenses of a verb tells us about the time of an action. It tells us when the action is past or will be carried out. The time could be in the past, present or future. The time could be past, present, then future. Okay, the present tense refers to action that are happening at the time of speaking, the present moment. That is, refers to action that are happening at the time of speaking. We also use it to talk about habits or describe situation that is permanent. The students are participating in a creative writing competition. That is a present event. Pramila walks up at 6 every morning. The earth revolves around sun. Then next we use the simple present tense. In simple present tense we are already studied in 5th standard class. What is a simple present tense? Simple present tense for an action happen in the present moment. For an action in the present moment, that is simple present tense. Then which happens, exists or happens regularly. Okay. Then it states the exists at the moment. States exists at the moment, or it expresses a general truth. Then here the simple present tense to express a habitual action or action that is performed often. Example, Anuradha is often late and runs to school. Shantanu plays badminton on Saturdays. To express general truth or facts. Many animals depend on plants for food and oxygen. Many types of habits on earth are aquatic and terrestrial. The exclamatory sentence being with here or there to express an action that is taking place at that moment. Here comes the train, there goes the Indian team. To talk about the future event that is part of fixed timetable. The Prime Minister visits the US next Sunday. The other heads of reach tomorrow. Here, forming the verbs the simple present tense. While forming of a simple present tense, we make sure that noun or pronoun agree in number with the verb. Okay. Here, for all verbs with I, we, you, they. It's a plural verb. I, you, we, they. It's a plural nouns. We use root based form of the verb. Here, I read story books. we sing sweetly. You pray daily. They shout loudly. For most verb with he, she, it and singular verb, we add s or es. Okay, it's a root base form of the verb. Understand? Do you remember these points? Okay, very good. Then, in the verbs ending with the consonant y, with the he, she, it and singular nouns, it changes into ies. Okay, and then for verbs ending with the vowel y, in singular nouns, we add this, the root base form of the verb. Then, next, for the ending with the s, ch, sh, x, z. In singular nouns, we are adding es, the root base form of the verb. Okay. Here, the next one, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Next, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense talk about an action that is going on at the time of speaking. Present continuous tense is it's action that is unfinished going on at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. ഇപ്പോൾ നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ. Okay. Here the present continuous tense talk about an action that is going on the time of speaking. In the present tense, is, are plus ing, the main root base form of the main verb. Okay. Are used the ing for the use main form of the main verb. That is the forming format of present continuous tense. Okay. Example, the stars are twinkling in the sky. Miss Shankar is getting ready for office. Okay. Here, he, she, it is the singular. That way we use is. Then are plural and I. Okay. Then, next one, present continuous tense after present perfect tense. Next, present perfect tense. What's the forming format? Present perfect tense for action that have just been completed. Present perfect tense to talk about an action that began in past but has been completed or perfected. It is formed by, okay. Present perfect tense talk about an action that began in the past but has just been completed or perfected. It is formed by using have or has, the past participle form of the verb. Okay, has or have plus V3 form. If you remember the forming format, past participle form of the main verb, the present perfect tense links the past with the present. Mamata has bought a personal computer. Jigsia has spoken municipal corporation about cleanliness in her locality. We use present perfect continuous tense to talk about an action that started in the past but continuing at the time of speaking. Anushka has been reading this book since Monday. We have been living in Kochi since 2016. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense for the suitable verbs. Choose from the box. First one, Xavier dash watching movies. Xavier likes watching movies. Second one, Sam and Pia dash their uniform before going to bed. What is the answer of second one? Iron. Sam and Pia iron their uniform before going to bed. Then third one, Salim dash for school every day at 7 a.m. Salim leave for school every day at 8 a.m. Leaves. Okay. Then the fourth one, the sun dash at 6 a.m. these days. Yes, sun rises. At 6 a.m. these days. Then fifth one, the tiger dash and endangered animal. What is the tiger is an? Tiger is. Okay. Then sixth one. Vikram Seth dash poetry, fiction and travelogue. Vikram Seth dash poetry, fiction and travelogues. What is the answer? Right, writes. Okay. Then seventh one. Yeah. Seventh one. Saina Nehwal dash badminton. Saina Nehwal. What is the answer? Saina Nehwal plays badminton. Plays. Okay. Then 8, 9, 10, that is the homework. All of you do yourself. Okay. Then next one. Exercise number B. This is Mrs. Danishmukha's timetable for the week. Complete these questions and answer that follow the table. ഇവിടെ കുറച്ച് ടേബിൾസ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട് അതിനെ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. Okay, all of you read the timetable. Then first one, when does Miss Deshmukh teach poetry to class 6B? She teaches poetry to class 6B on Thursday in third period. Second one, when does she teach grammar to class 8B? She teaches grammar class. Okay, B first one. Then third one. On which day dash she have a double period with a class 8A? On which day does she have a double period? She have a double period with class 8A. She has a double period with 8A on Friday. She has a double period with class 8A with class 8A on Friday. Okay. All of you got the answer? Okay. And then next one. Fourth one. On which day does she not dash a period with a class 6A? On which day does she not have a period? Not have a period. That is the answer. Then another answer, she does not have a period. She does not have a period with the class 6A. On Tuesday. Okay, and then fifth one, that is the homework. Sixth one, frame 2 questions of your own and write their answers. Okay, all of you make your own question and answers. Okay, then exercise number C, fill in the blanks with the present continuous tense of verbs given in the brackets. Yeah, Himanshu is reading a book. Is in bracket read. Then we use present continuous tense is reading. Manisha dash and second one, the wind dash hard blow. The wind is blowing. The wind is blowing. All of you write down the answer. The wind is blowing. Then third one, Nishant dash the bird. Nishant is feeding, bracket feeding. Is feeding the bird. Okay. Then fourth one. Misha dash an email to her friend. Misha is writing an email to her friend. Swati or Jaspreet are going to school. Are going to school. Are is are plus ing is the base form of the verb. Do you remember this forming format? That is the present continuous forming format. All of you use that form. Swati and Jabra are going to school. 6 is the homework. Then D. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Okay. Deepthi dash her science project. What is the answer here? Deepthi dash her science project. In bracket complete. The Deepthi has completed her science project. Has completed her science project. Completed her science project. Then next one. Priya dash a portrait of Jawaharlal Nehru. Bracket make. Has made. Then third one. I dash to Kerala. It is very beautiful. B. What is the answer? I have been to Kerala. I have B. Then fourth one. Maria dash her lost book. She is happy. Maria has found. Find change into found. Has found. Then fifth one. I dash to many songs by A.R. Rahman. In bracket listen. Have listened. That's the answer. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 5. Last 5. That's a homework for you. All of you do yourself. Okay. And then exercise number E. In each pair of sentence below, put a tick against the sentence that shows the correct use of tense. Correct use of tense. Tick cheyanana parnathu. Okay. Against the sentence that shows the correct use of tense. I think that is a Lavanya standing across the road. That is right or wrong? എന്താണ് രണ്ട് ഈച്ച് പെയർ ഓഫ് സെൻറ്റൻസ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിലെന്താണ് പുട്ട് എ ടിക്ക് എഗൻസ്റ്റ് ദ സെൻറ്റൻസ് ദാറ്റ് ഷോസ് ദ കറക്റ്റ് യൂസ് ഓഫ് ടെൻസിൻ്റെ അവിടെയാണ് കേട്ടോ ടിക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. രണ്ട് സെൻറ്റൻസസ് പെയർ ഓഫ് സെൻറ്റൻസസ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് കറക്റ്റ് ഉള്ളതാണ് ടിക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. I am thinking Lavanya is standing across the road. That is the right one? Oh no, the first one is right. Please tick the first one. Then second one, living things need energy to function. Living things are needing energy to function. Living things are need energy to function. That is very simple. All of you do yourself. Okay. Then choose words from the columns to make sentence. Use the words in their present perfect form. You can use the verbs also once. Okay. Then Maria parked the bushes. What is the answer? Maria has asked the artist to paint landscape for her. Then second one, what is the answer? Anupriya and Gaurav ask Pune. What is the answer? Anupriya and Gaurav have reached Pune. Okay, that is also homework. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay. Then exercise number G. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect continuous tense of the verbs given in the box. First one, it, G. It dash since at last night. It has been rain. Has been rain. Change into raining. Has been raining. Has been raining. Second one, the phone dash for quite some time. The phone has been ringing. Has been ringing. Has been ringing. Third one, this troop dash at the theatre regularly. The troop have been. Sorry, the troop have been performing. Has been performing. Then fourth one, Yukti and Rishba dash for you. Fourth one has been, okay, has been looking. Has been looking. Has been looking. Then last 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 4, all of you do yourself. Then next, circle the correct options in the bracket. All of you read this sentence and circle the correct options. I'll give first. I'll give first one answer. First one, Sunita and Divya have been making or are making greeting cards since Friday. Sunita and Divya have been making. That is the correct one. Please circle. Have been making. Second one, computers change or have changed the way we work. What is the answer? Have changed. Have changed. Then third one, please reading or read the instruction manual carefully. Please read the instruction carefully. All of you read this sentence and circle the correct options. Okay, I hope all of you understand how to do this exercise. Today we have discussed tenses, present tense, simple present tense, then present continuous tense and present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. If you have any doubts, please ask me. All of you read these tenses very well, then only easily can understand. Also all of you study forming format, then only easily can answer the question. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Let's wind up our today's class. Thank you.